One of the biggest mistakes I see market women make when they need a loan is to first of all rush to big banks, the commercial banks. And they will not get these loans. They will return home depressed, dejected, and confused. And they start asking themselves why. You know, the thing is, these banks, they are not structured to help market women. They are not structured to help small business people, small traders. That is not what they do. Because these people, they are looking at bigger people. People are in big business. So that is why they will not help you. But there are places you can access loans for your business. If you're a market woman in Nigeria or you're a small trader. Today, I'm showing you exactly where to go. There are 4 places you can visit if you need a loan for your business, if you're a market woman in Nigeria. That is what we are talking about today. So there is hope for you. Don't think that, oh, when I went to my bank, they did not help me, so I cannot fund my business. You can still get support, financial support for your business if you follow what I am going to tell you today. So relax, sit back, and watch this video to the end. I am sure you will find out 4 places that you can visit to access these loans for your business. My name is Lillian, and this is Easy Loan TV. Here we talk about how to access loans easily for a market woman, small traders, and people in businesses of buying and selling. So if you are new here, you're welcome to this channel. Kindly take out time to subscribe to this channel and enable the notification bell, so each time I publish a new video, you will be notified. Like this video, every week I drop a video for you to watch, and it will help your business to grow from one level to the other. So without wasting much of your time, let us see the first one. Now, the first place to go if you need a loan as a market woman is the microfinance banks. Microfinance firms and banks, they are structured to help small businesses. That is why they are there. They finance small businesses. And you see, the good thing about these people is they don't ask you for a collateral. Yes, they don't ask you for a collateral. They don't ask you, okay, madam, bring that your property documents, bring this, bring that. No, they don't ask you for that. But it does not mean that they will just dash you money like that. No. You have to bring a guarantor. You know, guarantor is somebody that can come and say, okay, I stand for this person. I know her. Or she will not run away if you give her the money. That's what we want. So the first place to look at if you need a loan for your business as a market woman is the microfinance banks. They are structured, they are formed with you in mind. That is why they exist, to financially support small business owners. If you're watching this and you've not been able to access a loan because you don't have any property, at least you have heard that microfinance banks can help you. All these things have to do with information. If you have the right information, you will do your business well, and you will also be smiling as other people are doing. So the first place is microfinance banks. The second place is your cooperative or market association. There are so many associations in the market, and there are so many cooperatives. If you are a member of the cooperative and you contribute the way they tell you to contribute, maybe you contribute your dues maybe weekly or monthly or annually, you can access a loan there. Because this is one of the benefits of being a member of the cooperative. Many market associations, they support their members. So if you are someone that you are always prompt to pay your money, prompt to pay your dues, you don't default, they don't look for you, and they know that you are a good person. You have proven that you are a good person. When they give you this loan, you will repay it. They will give you a loan. After all, they know you. They know everything about you. You're not going to start explaining yourself to them. And these people, they don't ask you for collateral because you're a member. So you can easily take money from there and support your business. So if you are in the market and they are telling you, madam, come and join this association, come and join this cooperative, and you are saying, I don't want to join, I don't want to join. Think about it, because it will help you in the long run. If you're a member, there are benefits. This is one of the benefits. There could be other things too. People can give you goods on credit if you're a member of this association. Their conditions differ from one association to the other. So if you are in a market or you have an area where you sell and there's an association of people that sell in that area, the good thing you can do is join the association. Find out how they operate first. If it suits you, you join the association. they make the conditions to join very easy for members. So join and access a loan from your cooperative or the association of, say, association of people that sell clothes, people that sell fabrics, association of tailors, association of meat sellers. They have it in the market, various associations. So join one and access a loan from there. You see, the thing is, interest rates here in cooperative associations, they are lower than microfinance banks. So it may favor you. You can start with them and graduate to, maybe you see that maybe their money is not that big. You can move to a microfinance bank. And another thing here is repayment is more flexible because they understand the market dynamics. They understand how you operate. In microfinance banks, their own could be, your repayment could be weekly, monthly. And you have to follow the rules. You have to abide by the regulations. But this one, the association, they know how their market is. They know when it is season and when it is not season. So their repayment is flexible. So you check the one that is okay for you and you take money from them and continue to do your business. Don't let the paucity of funds be the reason that you are not doing your business. All you need to do is ask questions, get the right information, and your business will keep moving. This is one of the most underused options for market women. These women, they're sitting in a place, they don't even know the benefits that are accrued to them as members. Ask questions. If you're a member of an association, don't wait till December when they will share profit. Ask questions. As a member, what do I benefit? If you don't ask questions, nobody will tell you. Other people will be enjoying themselves, collecting money, repaying and getting other benefits, and you are there saying, how I want to get money. This is one of the places where you can get that money for your business. The third option is government loan schemes. You see, these ones exist, but the thing is, they can be slow. You know how government things are. You have to also ask questions. This process is not like the microfinance banks or your cooperative association. Government has loan schemes that are tailored towards helping market people, helping traders to boost their business. You have trader money, you have market money. You are the one doing the business, so you know whether it is okay for you or not okay for you. But government gives loans. They know that the money is not that much. CBN also have loan schemes, but you have to ask around to know the loan scheme that is suitable for your business. The thing is, there is no interest. Whatever you borrow is what you pay. So is it okay for your business? Is it something that you can try? See how it works out for you. The fourth one is loan apps on your phone. I know that so many people have various loan apps on their phone. If it is the kind of thing you want, you can take their loans. The good thing about these people is you want that money now. As in now, you will get it immediately. Once you fill the form and everything, you just get the money. They don't waste time. But is it what you want? And remember that if you don't pay this loan on time, your name will be everywhere. Oh yes, they will flash your name everywhere. So before you access this loan, you have to ask yourself questions. Do you have the integrity to repay this loan when it is time for you to repay the loan? If it is something you can do, this one you don't need guarantor, you don't need the collateral, you don't need anything, just you and your phone and your loan and your loan app. So you click and do the kind of things they ask you to do, they give you the money. Most times their money is even big. But if it is not what you want, stay away from them. They're not really that nice when it comes to recovery. Just know that their recovery time is not something you have to play with. Ask people who have taken loans from loan apps and know that if you don't repay, you'll be in trouble. Your name will be everywhere. Another thing you need to know is their interest rates. Most of them, their interest rates are very high. If you cannot cope, you know you're in business, and business is not something that you want to play with. If you cannot cope with high interest rates, maybe you should not even look at them. Maybe you should not even consider them in the first place. I have already told you some other options you can check. And another thing is, some of them, they have penalties that keep growing. As you default, you have penalties. So most times you find out that the loan you are repaying, the penalties you are paying is even higher than the amount you have accessed. Is that what you want? Well, if you can test it, no problem. But if you have looked at yourself and said, this one I cannot manage it, so please leave them alone and look at other options that I have mentioned. You see, my advice here is use a loan app if you have read and understood their repayment options. If their conditions are okay for you, go ahead. If you don't understand it, you can ask someone. If the terms are not clear and you don't have the capacity to withstand pressure, please look elsewhere. Do not borrow because it's easy. Borrow because it makes sense. Those are two different things. So where should one go for a business loan if you're a market woman or a small trader? The first one is microfinance banks or firms. Then you look at cooperative societies, your associations in the market. Then the third one is government loan schemes. Then the fourth one is your loan apps on your phones. Which one is okay for you? Which one is easy for you? Before you do anything with these people, please read their conditions. Understand the terms and conditions and choose the one that is okay for you. Choose the one that they can repay their loans easily. Apart from the government loan schemes that do not have interest rates, others you have to pay interest rates. Understand the interest rates, understand everything before you sign the documents. So which of these 4 options are you going to try first? Drop your comments in the comment section. Share this video with one woman in your market today. This information is too important to keep to yourself alone. So please share it with people that you know, traders, that this information can help. And if you're not subscribed, I wonder why. Kindly do it now. And next week, I'm bringing you a video on what documents you need when you walk into any of these places. My name's Lillian once again. Thank you for watching. God bless your business. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.